Let's slide this lock in here. Moment of truth, guys. Does it shut on the latch? No. Me. It's got to do because it's I've not moved the latch. Oh, we need to go up. Yep, I'll have that. That's pretty easy, that. So happy with that. And we've got some good shut gaps all the way around it. Yep. Yep, I'm happy with that, guys. Slightly pushing out here. But I think, you remember I was talking about that curvation we didn't have? I think if the panel did have it, it would have been spot on there. But I have to find a longer bolt for that because it keeps dropping out. I'll find one of them. Maybe the thread that's in the hinge is a bit old. So we'll finish off here, guys. Excuse me. I've got to put some ring clips around these little badges. It's all the badges in, so I've got. So I'll finish off here and I'll show you the finished boot lid, and then we can start with the door, get the door off. I'd like to try and get the bottom of that door cut off today if I can. See you in a minute, guys. Wanted to check the number plate light was working, and then it dawned on me that this fuse carrier was a bit second hand, so got a new one here, guys, so I'm going to get that changed out right now. There you go, guys, it's a bit neater. So what I'll do now is I'll go check that number plate light's working and get that roof light working. See you in a minute, guys. Right, guys, got the door off. There she is. Door off. Put a screw in that as well. Fasten these back. Anyway, door's off. Because we were getting some paint on these finishes and that. They look a bit naughty, don't they? Boot lid, she's all back together, as you can see. And the door handle, I put the door handle on there, started putting this door, and I think you agree, that's a pretty good shot. Yeah, happy with that. So she's not going to be perfect, she's ex-police car, so she's probably had a few fights in her time. Anyway, got the traverse door off, and here she is, guys. Not much better than the other door. Boop, boop. And underneath, she's looking, yeah. So it's the same thing again. Slice and dice are coming out. Get this chopped off. But I'll make this video a little bit shorter than the last one because you've seen it all before, and I want to bore you with some more slice and dice and flap attack action all over these doors. So I'll do some shorts. Got all the panels there. She's all, the panels are all ready to go. So there you go, fitted. Hinges are the same, guys. Look, hinges. Yeah, she's they're stiff. Yeah, so we'll make it a lot better when the hinges are freed off. So anyway, see you guys in a minute. I'm gonna slice and dice the bottom of the door off. Show you what I'm looking at here now, guys. Oh yeah, not as bad as the one, but she's bad nonetheless. Gonna put some etch primer in here, guys. Just a quick fit here, guys. It's massive there, but we can't go forward anymore. Only a little bit. The door's not bolted, it's just resting in. Look, that curve, following the curve there where it needs to be. A little bit out here, that's just fine. You know what I mean? She's old. I've got a big gap here, but could probably go up a bit. But it's mainly that curve when I messed it up last time. That's looking a bit better there. It's a bit out there, I know, but we can go in there. But you see that there? Boop. Get that in. Mig was a bit splattery though, but she's tacked. So we get that on the bench now, and we'll start putting the bottom on. And we'll come back and check for more gaps. Back to the bench, guys. That way. So guys, she's all tacked in, welded in, looking good there, guys. Happy, happy, happy. So let's get some acid etch on here now, guys. There you go, that's the bottom of the door. She's looking good. So now we'll get the welding straight across the get the welding done on the flip side. See you on the flip side, guys. It's that time again. Gonna just quick wipe down with some panel wipe, get it all degreased, and then we can shoot it with some primer. I'd like to try and get some paint on this if I can. So come back to you when I've got a spray gun on my hand. Right guys, got some primer on there, so we'll let that go off good and hard, and we'll get some get a coat on there. Coat the old Ford Transit Diamond White. Done the front bumper. She's not in the best condition, but she'll have to do for now. But anyway, she's got a coat of primer on there. Well, she's got a coat of epoxy, and she's got a coat of high build. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some protection on the inside of the doors with the old wax oil. All wax oil here. So I'm going to do what I did, guys. Actually, put some etch primer down the gaps at the back of the door. You can see that down there, guys. Let that paint run down inside. That's now hardened. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to put the old wax oil in there. Just give it that extra protection, because what I'm thinking is water runs down inside the door, runs down the door and sits in the back of there. That's just going to rot out, and then I'm going to have a big rusty line on the outside of the car. So it's all about the protection, guys. All this work that we've done, you know what I mean? We need to make it last more than a week, you know what I mean? So she's starting to break up now, guys. You can feel it inside there. And we'll get this wax oil put in the door, and then the boot lid as well. We'll get some put in there as well. Just waiting for that primer to go hard, and we can get a top coat on that, and then we can get on the car. See you in a minute, guys. There it is, guys. That is done. See, all together, wax oiled, screwed up, windows operating properly as they should. There you go. Yeah, so they're all working as. Shuts okay. I'll just wind that down. Shuts okay as well. Give it a good shove. She shuts fine. Let's open something inside. Go. Let's put these studs in here because they're like a little tapered screw with like a stainless steel washer. Like these on here, tapered. They're the real deal for upholstering. So I've put them in because as you shut the door card just popped off. So I've put them in. But I'm happy with that. So all I've got to do now is get the police sign put on there, and that door is done. So it's back to this door now. I'm going to get some paint put on this. See you in a minute, guys. Final coat on this door now, guys. There she is, all primed up. Right, more progress. Got the front bumper on now. And the number plate's fitted. There you go, guys. I know she's not perfect, but you know, she's a lot better than what she was before. All that brown stuff on there. So she's I'm happy with that. Incidentally, I've got the door on, but I did damage it against the wing. It's going to happen, isn't it, guys? You know what I mean? But these door gaps are shocking. Anyway, guys, I've sprayed in the back edge of the door. I've got a bit of overspray. Bottom edge of the door. I wish I'd done that a little bit tidier. Maybe I need to, when I'm welding these areas, maybe need to pay attention to that sort of detail there. I'll take the screws out and I'll clean the ends of the screws out. Well, I'll just show you what sort of gap I've got on there. Here you go. It's on, it's shutting, it's closing. I'll take some of this tape off and show you a little bit better. There you go, guys. Yeah, it's still tight there, isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, guys, I think I'll close this video down right now, and next time you see this will be police on the car. I'll have it all fitted up. I'll have the wheels on the car. I'm going to have it on the street for you guys to see it, and I'll take you guys for a test drive in this, and we can see what it drives like. I mean, I've gone around the brakes. I've looby-doobing them all up, cleaned them all up, got them all free, so they're all done. All copper slipped up. Yeah, she's all free. All the brakes got copper slip on the little screws there. Makes them easier to get them out next time, doesn't it, guys? So, right, guys, see you on the next one. On the next one will be a big reveal of the Morris Minor police car. Oh, incidentally, do you like the colour of the caravan? Yeah, she's had a repaint. See you in the next one, guys.